Somebody wanted attention just when I was getting ready to start talking. See, yeah. You want to tell them what we're doing? Okay, don't get down. Be careful. Okay, so today I have not one, but two IPSY GLAM, yes, darling, IPSY GLAM bag pluses for you. So I have the one that was gifted to me. I did show this in a bigger unboxing that had 3 IPSY bags all in one. So if you're interested in seeing that, it had December's Ultimate, which got here really late, and then it had January's regular and plus. But today I'm going to be comparing what was gifted to me in the IPSY GLAM Bag Plus compared to what I actually purchased, because I do have the Plus subscription because I wanted to make sure that I was going to have an IPSY X for you guys. So because I was already doing Ultimate, I was able to just like transfer it, do a Plus, and then I'll get X every 3rd month, which next month is when that starts. So if you guys are curious about that, I'll definitely be unboxing it. I'm going to keep this really short and sweet because I've already done one video, and I also did my BoxyCharm already for the month, so I'll have both of those videos linked below for you guys. I really told myself I was not going to get these mixed up, and then I did just that. So we'll start with the one that was gifted to me in my creator box. They send the regular and then also the plus. So that's what I've been getting every month. They also sent some extra goodies, so that's in the other unboxing if you want to see it. So first up, something I was really excited about, the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I love IGK products. They're dry shampoo, and then the, what is it called? The spray that is the spirulina smoothing spray. I can't even remember, but those are like my all-time favorites. And this is a hydrating hair balm, which for me is gonna be amazing for these dry ends as I'm getting my hair obviously bleached nowadays, and I am gonna get it touched up pretty soon. So, you know, I'm gonna keep damaging it, and I have been heat styling a lot more, so it's nice to have something to really hydrate my ends. So I am really excited about this product. Oh, and before I go too far into this, the bags both look like this. They just say Dream all over. Kind of fades from a very light blue to a little bit more of a medium, but still like a pretty baby blue. I think they're really cute. Not everybody likes the little drawstring bags. I think they're kind of handy, but I don't really use a lot of the bags that I get sent. Honestly, I give them away as much as I can. So next up, this is a LaRousse LR222 Kabuki. So this one has a little textured handle, but it's got like this one smooth section on the handle, and it says the name. These bristles feel really nice. Like, I am super interested in their brushes after feeling this one because it feels like buttery. It's smooth. It's like it's dense. It's packed in there. Like, I would use this more for like buffing concealer or something. You could do a lot with this brush, but man, the bristles feel super nice. So those are my first 2 items. I also got in the one I was gifted the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer to hydrate, balance, prevent fine lines, and prep skin for makeup. It is more for oily combination or normal skin. So for me, I'm going to use this more in the summertime, but it will definitely be a really good option. And I like Purely's products a lot. I have their like BBs or CC creams. I think it's BBs that I've been using. I've really been liking. And I actually have a concealer on from them today. That's the BB Sealer. I think that's Purely's. Nope, I'm lying. Oh shit, that's another brand. I also got the Anastasia Lash Brag Mascara. I have had a small one of this, and I actually reached for it a lot. So I'm really happy to have a big one. And my small one is actually getting tossed because it's about dried out. I've used it that much. So now I have a full size. And then the last product in my gifted IPSY Plus, Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. So this actually looks really pretty and interesting. So this is the, you know, Millie Bobby Brown brand, which I noticed they have like some capsule serums coming out that I'm like, oh, they're kind of stepping it up a little bit, because I was seeing this as more of like a fun, very youthful brand. But I actually have on the mascara today, and I didn't realize it until I did a little Instagram reel, but my lashes look really long. They're still not curling, but they look long. So anyway, this is the Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. Ooh, it looks like such a pretty color. I feel like that's just a fun one to put on, and hopefully a very gentle peel off mask. As long as it doesn't pull hard at the skin, then I'm all for it. So okay, we got a mask. moisturizer, hair balm, a brush, and a mascara. And now let's go ahead and compare with the one that I purchased. All right, here we go. I barely glanced at this one. I just kind of saw it and was like, okay, I'll do the video. Okay, so we do have a dupe product. This is the IGK Mistress, like you guys just saw, of course, but if there was gonna be a dupe, I'm glad it's this one. I don't know if I'll keep this one for myself or if I'll share with someone. I've just gotta look at my hair product collection and see, because I have really too much, although I am using a lot more product now than I was, which doesn't look like it today, but you know, I'm really using a lot of heat protectants and hydrating products, so I may keep it as a backup, but I may also give it to someone, who knows. All right, this is 2 brushes. Okay, these are from Firma Beauty. So the black handle is the 403, the white handle is the 201. I do have a couple brushes from Firma that I do enjoy. I actually used one of these today. I don't know if it's the 201, but I did use one of their brushes. I think it's a different one. I'll give you a close-up of the bristles there if you're curious. Eye brushes always come in handy. My eye brushes are always all over the place and dirty. I'm trying, especially with doing my eyeshadow 6 days a week, I'm really trying to grab all my eye brushes that are used and clean them once a week, just like a little disinfectant. So these will come in handy. We got the Let Me Skin Deep Clearing Clay Foam, made in Korea. Okay, because I was like, I feel like I don't know this, but it's a Korean brand. Let Me Skin Deep Clearing Clay Foam. Okay, this is just a cleanser, but you know I love K-Beauty, so I'm not mad at that. And it is a clay cleanser. So again, this might be something that I hold on to until more warmer months, which here in Alabama, right around the corner, and see how I like it. It matches my nails. I'm interested in this for sure. I feel like because it says clear, mild moisture, that's kind of intriguing to me, because I like to absorb excess oil, you know, just where I need it and have clear skin, but I also don't want anything to dry me out, so I'm very intrigued by this. All right, we got the $1 Billion Brows I started to say breast. Best Brow Ever Toolkit. Oh, okay. So, and I totally read that backwards. Best Brow Ever Toolkit. I'm just all over the place. So it looks like this has a few tools in it. These tweezers seem sturdy. This brow brush might actually replace, I have one from Morphe that I use. Now it's wider. The one I use is wider, but it's thin enough. And I feel like this can replace that one, because that one is dusty. Like a couple of the bristles are like not knowing what to do. So here are the items that come in the little Best Brow Tools Ever. Super cute. I'm actually quite excited to get this. This is a very usable kit. So you have your little scissors, you've got your angled brush and spoolie, and then tweezers. So I'm actually pretty excited about this set. It's always good to have a backup set of tweezers and scissors and things that you use, because I trim my brow, like the length of my brow hairs a little bit, just so they don't go crazy. And then I also, you know, trim lashes and stuff. So I'm pretty happy about this. Next up, we got the Ofra Bossy Eyes Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Penthouse. I don't have this shade. I have a few of these that I got sent from Octoly. They're really pretty, but oh, this shade is so cute. All right, so there is what the shade Penthouse looks like. It's so pretty. It's like this silvery mauve, like it just looks like silk. So pretty. So to sum up, we got a brow kit, hair balm, liquid eyeshadow, 2 eye brushes, and the deep clearing foam. I don't know. I feel like these are both really good. In my gifted one, I'm more excited about the mask and the hair balm, but in this one, I really like the brow kit, the eyeshadow, and the hair is good in both. So I don't know. You guys gotta let me know what your favorite is. Do you like the first one, the gifted one that I showed you that was sent to me, or do you like the one that I paid for more? Because I feel like they're both really good, so I have a hard time deciding. I'm wishy-washy. Yes. So I really like them both. I don't have any complaints. I feel like both of them were really decent bags for 25 bucks, and I'm happy with everything I got. So yeah, that was a great comparison once again. Let me know which bag you like best out of these two, and if you like these comparisons, let me know and I'll keep doing them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.